This is Physio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit Telegram profile info. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! If there's one thing you update regularly on Telegram, it's your profile photo. It's the first thing people notice about you before contacting you. And what if you want to edit your profile on your Telegram? The information on your Telegram profile, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on my profile on here. Here's your profile. You can tap on the pencil icon at the top of your profile here. Here you can edit like your name, your channel. If you have channel, you can add your channel on here. You can edit your bio. You can also edit your date of birth here. Maybe for the example, we'll edit about my bio. Like this maybe. After you finish edit your information on your profile, you can just tap on the upper right corner here, the checklist. So here's your new profile info on your Telegram. You can also change your profile picture on here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to edit your profile info on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!